In this video, we're going to dive into how to use CrankWheel for IT troubleshooting. This tool can significantly improve how you share screens and solve tech issues remotely. If you're a tech support professional or someone who deals with IT problems regularly, stick around because we'll also compare it with some other tools to see if it really lives up to the hype. First, let's talk about CrankWheel's basic functionality. The moment you start a session, you can instantly share your screen with a client or a customer. No downloads required for the other party, which is a big plus when you're dealing with people who aren't too tech savvy. You send them a link and boom, they can view your screen directly in their browser. This ease of access makes troubleshooting smoother and less time-consuming. Next thing, CrankWheel lets you share either your entire screen or just a specific window. This is useful if you want to keep some things private while showing only the relevant parts of your screen to the client. It's simple and intuitive, so you won't waste time fumbling with settings. The third thing worth mentioning is CrankWheel's interactive features. While sharing your screen, the other person can draw or highlight specific areas to indicate where they're having trouble. This is particularly handy when you're guiding someone through a process or troubleshooting a complex issue, making the back and forth communication more effective. But there are a few downsides. While CrankWheel is easy to use, it's pretty limited in terms of collaboration tools compared to alternatives like Zoom or Microsoft Teams. For example, there's no option for direct video calls or comprehensive chat functionalities. If you need those features, CrankWheel might feel a bit basic. The fourth thing to consider is pricing. CrankWheel offers a free version, but its features are limited. The paid plans start to unlock more advanced functionalities like better session tracking and analytics, which can be helpful for support teams or businesses. However, you might find that other tools like TeamViewer or AnyDesk offer a more feature-rich experience for a similar price. Now, let's talk about alternatives. If you're looking for a more feature-packed solution for IT troubleshooting, you might want to check out TeamViewer. It's one of the top remote support tools and offers a better suite of features for managing ongoing support requests. It includes file transfer, remote printing, and even mobile device support, all of which CrankWheel lacks. Another competitor to consider is AnyDesk, which provides similar features, but with a more streamlined interface and robust performance for both personal and professional use. Finally, here's the best part. You might be wondering which tool is the best for your specific needs. While CrankWheel is great for quick, no-hassle screen sharing, if you're looking for more comprehensive IT troubleshooting, we recommend giving TeamViewer or AnyDesk a try. Both offer free trials, and through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial with additional benefits available only to our viewers. So, if you need a more complete solution for IT troubleshooting, check out the link in the description for those free trials. To sum it up, CrankWheel is perfect for simple, quick IT troubleshooting when you need to get the job done fast. However, if you need more features like remote control, file transfers, and in-depth collaboration, it's worth exploring the alternatives we've mentioned today. And don't forget, you can grab exclusive extended free trials and benefits through our link in the description below. Make sure to check out the link for the best free trial deals and see which software fits your IT troubleshooting needs.